Welcome to Malti Agravarthi. This is something very amazing which Malti Agravarthi have designed for their esteemed customers. This is actually Malti Agravarthi in a seasoned butterfly engraved wooden box for rich premium gifting. So when you remove the bubble wrapping, the first impression is something which is very catchy. You can see all the engravings. You can also see this Malti Agravarthi 3D dimensional logo on it, and it's the pure wood engraved. You can see this beautiful butterfly engraved onto it with an awesome design. For better understanding, I have just placed it upside down and you can see the engraving onto this box. When we keep the scale, you can see the length of the box is somewhat at around 10 inches. Height is around 6.5 inches and the thickness is around approx 3 inches. On the side of the box you can see the proper engraved Malti, for as it is a very well known brand and exporting to various countries. Here you can see the Malti logo with website, email address and all the details about the company, and the side view is something also very amazing. You can see backside, you can see there are two hinges. They are not metal but pure brass, and the working done on this box is really amazing and really hard work has been done by the engravers. So now we are going to open this box and my experience I will share with you. When we open the box, you can see this color. This is said to be, in Hindi it is said to be the Rani color, and it's very beautiful, and the full room where I'm sitting is really amazing fragrance, and you can see the detailed things. I think so this is wrapped in this paper. This is the incense, handmade incense sticks made specially in Malti Agravarthi factory, and this is something like perfume bags or something, and this is the stand. Let me open it and show it to you once again. Little bit I should go in more detail. You can see these are all premium velvet is there. It's all velvety things are there inside. You can see all velvet and everything is there inside this. So it's very well made and proper international quality and standard is there for gifting purpose in festivals and also for international customers. So in detailed explanation I would like to give it to you. I have just taken all this product outside now, and what is there inside. So actually every box is made up of seasoned mango wood in order to ensure its quality and durability. Mango is highly durable and long lasting wood when seasoned and dried properly. Okay, so this is all about this product, and the incense which is there, it is having around 80 or 90 odd sticks, and these are premium masala sticks. No incense or any flavored or any fragrance is added. This is pure masala incense stick. Apart with that, you can see that there are somewhat around 5 sachet, my total 10 sachet of perfume bag with proper Malti logo on this. Okay, and apart from that you can also see incense stick stand. These are basically hand carved incense sticks made from seashell, and you can see this is Malti. You can see this is Malti also engraved out here. Very beautiful and very good. product range. So my overall experience is very good. The aroma is very soothing. It lasts for quite a long time, and love the wooden box as well, as it keeps the incense sticks fresh and preserve this aroma for a long period of time. So kindly check this and subscribe this channel for latest update as well, directly from factory. Thanks for watching Malti Agravarthi video.